Hi, my friends. Today I will show you my secret feature for very fast and easy music creations in Logic Pro X. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with a simple part of kick drum. Then add the same simple clap. Hats. Done. And now I will show you my secret feature. Add bass sound and create pattern region. Go to Functions, Randomize Row Values, Step on Off. Great bass line is ready. Now convert pattern region to MIDI region and make some changes. Our drop is ready. Very fast and easy. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.